Ethereum price prediction by experts. Ethereum is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies. However, many people are still wondering if it's worth investing in. In this video, I'm going to analyze what experts have said about it and see how accurate their predictions were. Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be exploring some interesting facts about Ethereum that you might find surprising. This cryptocurrency has been around for a few years now, but many people are still unsure whether or not they should invest in it. So today we're going to look at some expert opinions on the matter and see if any of them had predicted correctly where Ethereum would end up by now. The price of Ethereum has been on a roller coaster ride over the last few months. This is because there are many factors that can affect the price of Ethereum, including new regulations, government intervention, and even rumors about its future. To help you make sense of what's happening with ETH prices, we've consulted some experts in the industry to give their predictions for how it will fare in the next few months. These experts have given us insight into what they think might happen to this cryptocurrency, as well as advice on how you should invest your money if you're looking to get involved with cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. Hi, the CryptoCell is an education organization that helps newcomers learn about cryptocurrency investing so they can invest and trade responsibly and safely with our expert advice on diversifying your portfolio, buying low, selling high, and avoiding scams. Ethereum is a decentralized platform for applications that run exactly as programmed without any chance of fraud, censorship, or third-party interference. Ethereum is a decentralized platform for applications that run exactly as programmed without any chance of fraud, censorship, or third-party interference. With Ethereum, you can do many things, such as creating your own token and then use it to raise funds so people know about an idea they would like to see turned into reality before even thinking twice. The world has never seen anything quite like this because we are living in unprecedented times where everything from our government's bodies themselves has been going through some major changes which leave us wondering what direction society will take next. However, instead, all these issues could be solved by simply using blockchain's technology, developed just over 10 years ago here on Earth, which also happened to be a one really cool place called New York City. ETH price can be volatile and unpredictable. As an investor, there's no way to know if you'll be able to cash out or break even on your investment. In short-term trading markets, such as these ones, prices can change and fluctuate rapidly depending on a variety of factors, including demand from buyers, but also supply, which could lead them down either path, up or down. The price movement isn't always predictable because traders may have different opinions about what will happen next, with many large swings happening within just minutes before reversing direction completely. Ethereum has the second highest market cap after Bitcoin. It's no secret that Ethereum is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on Earth, with its market cap having reached second place behind only Bitcoin. It started off life as just another cryptocurrency, but evolved rapidly into something more powerful and useful than any other before it, thanks to smart contracts, which allow you to make agreements between multiple parties without actually needing everyone involved in writing down all their terms beforehand. These kinds of technology will revolutionize how business deals are done worldwide, because they take away time-consuming paperwork while still ensuring everyone gets what was promised to them. The idea behind it was to create an alternative protocol for building peer-to-peer systems with no central point of control. Decentralized networks are a way of structuring information so that there is no central point in control, which means they cannot be attacked or censored. A great example would be how Bitcoin works. Transactions happen between individuals through an encrypted code called mining, and these blocks get added one after another until it reaches the end, where you can find out what happened during all those hours we spent together. Ethereum is one of the most promising cryptocurrencies on the market. because it has a decentralized platform for applications that run exactly as programmed without any chance of fraud, censorship, or third-party interference. This makes Ethereum an excellent option if you are looking to invest in cryptocurrency due to its ability to scale and outpace other coins with ease. The downside, ETH price can be volatile and unpredictable at times, which means there will always be risk involved when investing in this cryptocurrency. However, if you're willing to take some calculated risks, then we highly recommend considering purchasing ETH tokens now while their prices are relatively low. If you're interested in learning more about how to invest in Bitcoin so it can be part of your diversified portfolio, then consider reading our free crypto investing ebook, which will teach you everything from A to Z. You may also want to look into other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum if you're looking for something else worth investing in outside of Bitcoin. With all this information, we hope that we have helped make your decision easier when it comes down to deciding between Shiba Inu coin and Cardano. What do you think is going to happen with ETH's price in the next few months? With all this information, we hope that we have helped make your decision easier. I think you can learn a lot from our experts, and it would make me happy to have you as a part of our family. Follow our CryptoCell Facebook page for future updates. Feel free to share this with anyone you think might also enjoy it. Please leave a comment below about your thoughts, and our experts will respond shortly.